Good morning, students. In our last video, I have given you some questions related to speed, velocity, and acceleration. I hope you all tried to solve the questions, and I know many of you are unable to solve the questions. Today, we will learn about the graphical representation of motion, distance, and time. आज हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे किसी यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी, यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन या नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन को हम ग्राफ में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. In graphical representation of motion, our first topic is distance time graph. Distance time graph is always for speed and velocity. Distance time graph हमेशा speed और velocity के लिए होता है. So first is distance time graph for uniform motion. In a distance time graph, uniform motion के लिए कैसा होगा? So here you can see in the picture the distance time graph for uniform motion is a straight line. Why it is a straight line? Because we know that in uniform motion distance increases with time, with respective of time. According to time, as the time increases, the distance of the body also increases. So the distance time graph for uniform motion is always a straight line. Second is distance time graph for non-uniform motion, or we can say when the body is in non-uniform motion. So as you can see, the distance time graph for non-uniform motion is a curved line. The curved line represents that the distance the body covers does not increases with the time. So we can say that the distance time graph for non-uniform motion is a curved line. And third is distance time graph for a body at rest. जब कोई बॉडी रेस्ट पे होती है तो क्या होता है कि बॉडी एक फिक्स पोजीशन पे होती है, मूव नहीं करता. सो यू कैन सी इन द ग्राफ द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ फॉर अ बॉडी एट रेस्ट. यू कैन सी द लाइन इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. वहाँ पे हमारा डिस्टेंस फिक्स है, डिस्टेंस एक जगह पे फिक्स है, कांस्टेंट है, लेकिन टाइम इंक्रीज कर रहा है. सो द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. So our second topic is velocity time graph, which is also called speed time graph, which is always used for acceleration. So here the first is velocity time graph for uniform motion. As you can see in the picture, the line is parallel to x axis. So here you can see the velocity is fixed with the increasing time. यहाँ पे velocity क्या होती है हमारी, फिक्स होती है और टाइम इंक्रीज कर सकता है. तो ऐसे मोशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं, velocity time graph motion. Second is velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. When the acceleration is uniform, as you can see, velocity is increasing with respect to time. यहाँ पे velocity हमारी increase हो रही है time के साथ. Second is velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration. As according to non-uniform acceleration, we know that here velocity increases with irregular interval. Irregular interval में यहाँ पे velocity increase हो रही है according to time. Third is velocity time graph for uniform retardation. We know about retardation that it is a negative of acceleration or opposite of acceleration. So as you can see in the picture, the velocity time graph for uniform retardation is from upward to downward. And our last is velocity time graph for non-uniform retardation. Here velocity decreases with irregular interval of time. So we can see it is a non-uniform retardation graph.